Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in Jamaica under 20 million Jamaican dollars. House number 1. This 2-bedroom 1-bathroom house is located on Longbridge Avenue in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this lot is 4,336 square feet, with the house having 1,426 square feet of living space. This house is currently on the market for 15 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. From there we move on to the kitchen. Next is the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms, however only one is being shown. Followed by that is the bathroom. From here we're going to head on the outside. And that would bring us to the end of the tour for house number 1. House number 2. This is a 4-bedroom 2-bathroom house located on First Street in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is 2,177 square feet and it's on the market for 16 million Jamaican dollars. As we move from the front of the house, we head on the inside. Here we have the kitchen. There were no images provided for the living and dining area. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 2 were shown. There were no images provided for the bathrooms. That would then bring us to the end of the tour for house number 2. House number 3. This is a 3-bedroom 2-bathroom house found in Tri Hall in Junction, St. Elizabeth. This house has a square footage of 1,800 square feet and is listed for 17 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. Followed by that is the kitchen. And we then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms, however only 2 were shown. Next is the bathroom. Out of the 2 bathrooms that this house has, only 1 is being shown. From here we're going to head to the back of the house. And that would bring us to the end of the tour for house number 3. House number 4. This is a 3-bedroom 3-bathroom house located in Orange River in Richmond, St. Mary. The size of this house is approximately 2,000 square feet and it's been sold for 18 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we have the living area. Dining area, and next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is a third bedroom. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the third bathroom. From here we head back on the outside. This will then end the tour for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 7-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located on Sylvester Street in Maypen, Clarendon. The square footage of this house is 3,137 square feet and it's been listed for 18 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we have the living and dining area. Next we have kitchen number 1. And then this is kitchen number 2. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. This house has 7 bedrooms in all, however only 2 were shown. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a second bathroom. Out of the 3 bathrooms, only 2 were shown. This then brings us to the end of the tour for house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video, so if you are interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.